It's been a long journey to finishing our Yard Built for Good giveaway bike, but finally getting to wheel it on the stage in London made it all worth it. Two days before the Bike Shed Moto Show in London, we arrived in Amsterdam at the Yamaha headquarters to take care of the final assembly. We had 24 hours to put on the bodywork and adjust all of the final details. It seems like a lot of time, but it isn't. We made sure to add some special final details from Öhlins, Akropovich, Rizoma, Bridgestone, Rotobox, and many more that would set our bike apart. Our build partners, Dragos and Alex at Strange Industries, worked non-stop until the last minute to make sure we'd be able to make the tight deadline. Seeing this first prototype come together blew us away. Just a few minutes before we had to leave to make the show, we were able to wrap up all the final details.